Millions of people use some form of prescription medication for a number of reasons, such as chronic pain, anxiety, depression, or ADHD, to name a few. According to the CDC, 48.6% of Americans use one prescription medication within the past 30 days. Although prescription medication helps millions of people manage everyday life, they're often misused, with the most common recent example being opioids. Opioids has led to nearly 50,000 deaths within 2019 alone. Instead of using some form of prescription medication, consider using CBD, which is a more natural, less harmful, and non-addictive medication compared to opioids. Medications have been prescribed to many people at an alarming rate. According to APA.org, the use of psychotropic drugs in adults have been increased to 22% from 2001 to 2010, with 1 in 5 Americans having at least one medication. Although this has led to a positive, prescription medication are often misused, which some of the common examples being Adderall, Ritalin, and opioids. According to BMJ.com, in the US alone, there were 240 million Americans in 2015 who were prescribed to some form of opioid medication. Nearly one for every adult in the general population. With millions of Americans prescribed to this highly addictive drug, this led to stronger dosages being prescribed and often leading to a dependency and an addiction later on. This has led to a generation of addicts and affecting the younger generations. According to Medical Laboratory Observer, the rate of newborns diagnosed with neonatal absentee syndrome increased from 1 case per 1,000 births from 2004 to 2003 to 7.5 in every birth in 2012 and 2013. Infants found with this syndrome have been known to develop health problems such as seizures or have low birth weights, breathing problems, sleep problems, or even feeding problems. CBD offers a less harmful and less addictive medication and offers the same pain relief similar to opioids without the addiction risk, with the World Health Organization recognizing that CBD has no addictive potential in humans. CBD activates in the body's natural endocannabinoid system, activating the CBD1 and CB2 receptors, relieving pain and stress. Some CBD products include gummies, oils, coffees, tablets, and pills for alternatives for prescription medication. CBD is a more natural, less harmful way to relieve pain without a chance of developing an addiction, rather than the alternative being prescription medication. Opioids is highly addictive and has led to a lost generation due to addiction and has destroyed families. Prescription medication also affects not just poor or the rich, or if you're rich, or if you're happy, or if you're sad, or if you have everything in life, or if you don't have everything in life. This has affected some celebrities too, with some deaths in recent years, such as Michael Jackson and Prince dying from prescription medication. CBD is a less harmful, more natural, and non-lethal medication compared to prescription medication. Next time you have a medical issue, consider using a CBD product instead of using prescription medication.